So we are going to find a rank of matrix using echelon form for a square matrix as well as non-square matrix. So actually there are four popular methods. Echelon form is one of them, and I feel like it is the best way to solve quickly, like easy and quick way. In GATE exam and similar exams, we must use echelon form if they are asking rank of matrix. So I have taken for a square matrix. The given is 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. Okay, so our approach should be to make upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix means if a matrix is given, then our principal diagonal here below these things, I mean these elements, should be 0, and here we can have elements. I hope you are clear with the upper triangular matrix, but it is just a rough idea. It is just a rough idea. Our main target is to make as max as rows are possible, like 0. We have to make maximum number of rows 0. So, but if you want to make your rows zeros, before that you should keep in mind, you go in this way such that like your upper triangular matrix is being formed. That is much easier way to approach this concept, row 0. Okay, so how to do this? This is the given matrix here. So first target you should keep in mind, your a11, I mean this term must be 1. If this is your 1, then other operations used to be very easy. And one more thing, in echelon form our first non-zero element should be 1. Okay, so now we are going to, our main target is to make this complete row as 0, this complete row as 0, this complete row as 0, but they should come naturally. I mean to say, simply you cannot write 0 0 0. You should go through some operations. Maybe you are able to make these 3 zeros, but this is not being 0. Okay, maybe you are making only these two as zeros, but by operation these two are not being 0. Maybe only this became 0, or maybe only these two became 0. Okay, so you have to perform the operation and they will come automatically based on the given data. Okay, so let's perform the operation. R2 is equal to R2 plus 2R1. Okay, let's do this. So, and at the same time you do R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. Okay, so this is R3, this total is R3. Okay, fine, let's do this. So, and there is no need to touch R4 because this is already 0. And let's see what is coming here. So this is coming here, 1 2 3 minus 1. Here I got 1 2 3 minus 1, and then 0 3 3 minus 3, and then 0 minus 2 and 2, and then 0 1 1 minus 1. Okay, now our job is to make this 2 0 and this 0. And if it is not being 0 in that way, then choose some other way. But right now always go through your IQ level, and you can see this is helpful to make these two rows zeros, right? Definitely our job is to approach upper triangular matrix as 0, but actually before that our main motto is to make more rows 0, right, as max as possible, like this row 0, this row 0, this row 0. That is our main motto. So in this example we can see this line is being helpful to make these two lines are 0. So choose that. That's why I am choosing R2 and R3 both can be 0 using R4, right? That's why I am choosing this operation where I am using R4 as this R2 is equal to R2 minus 3R4. If I'll multiply 3 3 3 3 here, and then if I'll add in R2, our R2 will be 0 like this, correct? In same way, if I'll multiply 2 2 2 2 here and add here, then my R2 will also be 0. After that, what to do? You just, because you want to make echelon form, so you shift this here, okay, and you shift this here. I mean R2 you shift by R4. So we got this form. Okay, so in this form, this is one here, okay, echelon form. This is one here, okay, echelon form, and here 0 and 0. Fine. So we got two rows which are non-zero rows. So that's why rank is 2. Fine. Now see example 2. This example is for non-square matrix. It's 3 into 4 matrix. So same, our approach is to make bottom row R3 as 0. Right now it is not a square matrix, so we cannot talk like make your upper triangular matrix, because we don't have a proper diagonal here, right? Because it is rectangular, it is not square. Fine. So now we go for this operation R3. You can see your R1 can make 3 elements 0 very easily, correct? 1 add here, 3 add here, 4 add here. So by applying these 3 operations, we can easily make our 3 elements 0. So you applied this operation and you got this as 0. Fine. Now what to do? At the same time, you see, if you will multiply 3 here and subtract from this and this, then these term will be 0, correct? So that's why this operation. So we are getting our matrix in this form and in this form. Okay, fine. Now our job is to make this 1 here, correct? And to make this 0 here. So to make this one, we can divide our R2 by -6, correct? So that's why I'm dividing my entire row by -6, and I'll be getting 1 here. So I got 1 here, and then that one we can put into this. I mean, I will write this R3 as, because I have to remove this 2 from here, I mean I have to make 0 here. So to make this 0, this one will be helpful, this one will be helpful, right? So that's why I'm writing this operation. R3 is equal to R3 minus 2R1, correct? So I got my 1 is here, okay, echelon form. My first entry is non-zero, which is 1, and then in second row my first non-zero number is 1. Okay, I got echelon form. So these are 2 rows we are getting as non-zero rows. So that's why rank is 2. I hope this is clear. Thank you.